So what you can also do is share out your Google Data Studio report through link. So to do that, over here you can see that I already have a report, and if you want to share this out via a link, you can go around, click on the drop down icon right here, and here you can see get report link is an option. So as long as you do that, you can see that you get a link right here. So all you need to do now is share this out with other people, or you can go around and then access this link, as you can see. So once you do that, the report will be viewable, as you can see right here. So you are the owner, so you are seeing the edit option. But if I were to go around and access this as anonymous, so I'm using incognito window for this, and then you can see that it actually asks my username and password right here, because you do need to be signed in order to view this out. So I'm just going to go around right here and then type in my email address just like this, my second email address that is, and then let me just enter up the password over here as well. Seems like I entered it wrong, and let me just go around and then enter out my password. And then what happens is that you can see that it accesses out the Data Studio right here. So you can see the data right here because this is the public link that we shared out. And that is how you can share out reports through link inside of Google Data Studio. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.